Hello to my all friends and followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope you all guys very well and doing very good trading. This is an updated version 5.9. Soon we are going to release 6 version. So you guys can see this is the Boom 300 chart front of you, and let me attach the mobile version MT5 screen also, so you guys can see the double confirmation of this signal and system. Look here guys, the MT5 mobile version screen is just to pop up. In this video we recorded both side videos for your better understanding. Look here guys, as you guys can see the arrow, look here, I will zoom out the arrow. The arrow is a spike signal. Once the arrow appears, you just need to open a trade. As you guys can see in this video, we opened multiple trades on this spike signal. Once the arrow appears, you just need to open a trade and wait for the market to give you the spike and book your profit. So now we are making a lot of multiple trades and waiting for spike. As you guys can see in both screens, in mobile version and also desktop, multiple orders waiting for spike, stop loss. As you guys can see, 3 candles. If there is no spike after 3 candles, we're going to close in loss. So this is how actually the system works. We are waiting for a spike, multiple trades on Boom 300 with 10 standard lots. As you guys can see, zoom and check. Waiting for a spike. Once the spike appears, we're going to close this trade. For more details, please check the description, all details there. Waiting for a spike. 3 candles stop loss guys. Look here guys. This is the accuracy. This is what I want to tell you. A big spike appeared, we are in profit. So this is what we deliver. This is what's the system accuracy. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, check the description, chat with us. We are here to help you.